Hi, I'm Michael Firkins, and I just want to welcome you to my video. For the next hour, I'm going to be talking about a lot of different techniques that I used when I was first learning how to play, and some of the techniques that I'm using right now. I'm going to be covering a lot of rhythm techniques and just texturizing with the guitar, and then towards the end get up to a little more of the technical stuff with scales and arpeggios. Before we get into anything, I just want to go ahead and give you a note to tune to. Start with the E. And B. G. D. A. And E. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about today is rhythm guitar. I've noticed that the whole lead thing has gotten kind of out of hand the past couple years, and I just think it's really important that you concentrate on chords and rhythm guitar a lot. You don't really have to, I think, need to be a big chord master and play a lot of, 13th chords and all that kind of stuff, but I think thinking about rhythm a lot is very important. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to record some things as I'm playing them, and I'm going to overdub things over them to just kind of texturize some guitar parts. And basically the whole concept is just taking simplistic ideas and adding them up into something that says something instead of actually playing a really technical thing. So what I'm going to do here is just kind of a real bluesy kind of slide rhythm, and I'm going to overdub some things on it a little bit later. Okay, all I was doing there was just thumping on the bass note as I was imitating slide on the higher strings with my whammy bar. I was just doing a little bit of... And I'm just keeping my pick on my ring finger on my right hand and using my pinky to work the whammy bar. Using a couple 7th chords up in there, and a lot of open strings down here. 7th chord down there. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just plug into a different sound and do some clean things on top of that rhythm that sort of complement what I already laid down.